today I would love to share with you a simple solution for pubic bone pain post-pregnancy. So when I speak about the pubic bone, I'm referring to the bottom of the pelvis, the arches at the bottom of the pelvis that come together. This is where your adductor muscle attaches. So your adductor muscle is a muscle that moves your leg from here to here. And sometimes during pregnancy, this joint can become very unstable, and also during childbirth, that joint can become very unstable. This may present something like lower back pain or even groin pain, or just a general feeling of instability through the pelvis during or after pregnancy. So what can you do about it? Well, the point is because that joint is unstable, we want to make sure we can stabilize it again. So what we have provided is a very simple exercise that you can do at home right now. Find a chair similar to this height. You can even sit on your bed. Sit on the chair. And then what you want to do is with your arm, the elbow and the hand, put that between your knees and then squeeze your knees together for around 30 seconds. And then relax. And then again, squeeze your knees together for 30 seconds. And relax. You might feel a pop or an audible sound through the pubic bone. That is absolutely fine and okay. And if you repeat this a few times a day for consecutive days, you will start to notice a difference. So there you have it, a very simple but effective solution for pubic pain post-pregnancy. This is also a hot tip, also one that's very effective for someone who plays soccer or football and has recurrent groin pain, not just post-pregnancy. So we hope this information has been helpful for you today. If you feel like a loved one, a colleague or a co-worker might relate to this information and find it useful, then make sure you share it with them too, and of course leave us a comment to let us know your thoughts. This is Dr. J from Open Space Healing. Bye for now.